Hello guys, today we are going to check internet connectivity in Android in just 3 steps. In this tutorial we will use Java language.
So let's get started. I am Kevira Dhyaru, welcome you in our channel. First of all, thank you to subscribe our channel. And if you are new, then subscribe our channel to get daily updates.
First, create an Android project using Java language. We will set up a button, so when user click on button, it will show the network status. So step 1, set the button and click event of button. Open activity underscore main.xml file and simply drag and drop the button. Give the button text to check internet connection and set the button ID to btn. Now open mainActivity.java file and register the button object. So write button btn equal to find view by id, and in this bracket we have to pass the button id. So write r.id.btn. Now write btn.setOnClickListener. In this bracket we have to create the object. So write new space view dot on click listener. So our button click event is done. Step 2, write the check connection function. We will create a boolean function that will return true if the internet is connected, else it will return false. So write protected boolean space check connection, and first we have to create a service. So write connectivity manager space connectivity manager equal to, in this bracket we have to write connectivity manager, then get application context dot get system service. Now in this bracket we have to pass the service name. So write context dot connectivity underscore service. Now we have to get the network info. So write network info space network info equal to connectivity manager dot get active network info. This will return the active network info. Now we will return true if internet is connected, else we will return false. So return, in this bracket write network info equal to null, then we will return false. So write question mark false and colon true. Here I am using ternary operator. So we have done our check connection function. Now step 3, check connection and user permission. When user click on button, we will check the connection. So in onClick method write if, in the bracket check connection returns true, then we will print the message. So write toast.macTest. In this bracket first we have to pass the context. So write mainActivity.this. Then we will write our message internet is connected, and at last we have to pass the duration. So write toast.lengthlong and .show. Now if check connection function return false, else toast.macTest, and we will print internet is not connected. So we have to define two permission. Open manifest file and write user permission. First we have to take the internet permission, and then we have to take access network state permission. So we have done our code. Let's run our code and see the output. Let's click on button and see the message. It will show internet is connected because in this device internet is connected. If I turn off the internet and click on button, then it will show internet is not connected. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.